What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be restoring my SVE R355 wheels using my polisher, Griot's cutting pad, and McGuire's Ultimate Compound. We're almost finally to this ceramic coating.
We're going to roast them from the holy hell.
Alright guys, just a quick little bit of a backstory on why I'm having to restore these wheels. I actually bought them brand new, quote unquote, through SVE, but they were on eBay actually. And they were brand new because they'd never been mounted on a vehicle, excuse me. They actually got shipped out to a customer, got beat up in shipping, returned, and so SVE was actually selling them on eBay at 50% off. I got these things for 125 bucks each, and I knew that I wanted to be buying these wheels anyway, and I thought it would be kind of a fun project. You know, kind of like I'm trying to learn how to compound, buff, do all this type of stuff. You know, I had a little bit of experience when I ceramic coated my vehicle, so I thought that'd be a fun project. Plus, you know, it's saving me. I'm getting two of the wheels at 50% off. It saved me, you know, 250 bucks just by doing this. You know, yeah, it cost me a little bit of materials and stuff, but it's a project. Got a discount on the wheels, and we're just gonna see what we can make them look like. Now, it's not terrible, but it's not good, as you can see. And they were very transparent on the condition of these wheels. I knew what I was buying, so let's see if I can. As you can see there. And it's not like that towards the middle. I mean, the center is just about perfect. It's really just towards the outside where like the packing stuff kind of rubbed the wrong way. Yeah, there's a good shot right there. That's kind of what they look like on the edges. So not terrible, not great, but I think with a little bit of polish, compound, excuse me, a little bit of compound and then polish afterwards, I think we can get these things looking brand new, you know, and save a little bit of money. Also, I'm filming this obviously before I put the wheels on my car. So if you're watching this, then I've already uploaded the video of the wheel reveal. So finish watching this video, go check that one out, and then go check some other videos out, man. All right, guys, again, I'm gonna kind of be reusing some stuff from when I ceramic coated my car. I got some detail spray over there. I got the Visco clay bar, same polisher we use. Actually got this polishing pad from Griot's, and then some Ultimate Compound. So this is what we're gonna be using. Try and get y'all another good before and after. It's like that, pretty much it stops about here. Pretty much from here this way on all the spokes, it's perfect. It's really just up there. And some of it, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it perfect. One of the wheels is better than the other one. And one of them has a couple pretty deep scratches, but I kind of figured, I mean, the wheels, they're not gonna stay perfect forever. So even if these things don't end up being 100% immaculately perfect, like they were bought brand new, never used, the two that I ordered that are brand new, never used, aren't gonna end up looking like that forever. They're wheels. It's the closest thing to the road. They're gonna get beat up. You know, you can take care of them and try and keep them in the best condition as possible. But again, they are wheels. Stuff is just gonna happen to them, debris from the road and all that. So I figured, you know, in 5 years, both these wheels are gonna end up looking pretty much the exact same, whether you bought them slightly used and tried to restore them or bought some brand new one. And I am gonna be ceramic coating my wheels. I'm not doing that in this video because I wanna do all 4 of them at the same time. But I'm just gonna be reusing my Adams polish ceramic coat that I use for my car on these wheels. So let's get started, guys. It is hot. All right, guys, with the surface prepped, I just hit it with some detailer to clean it off, and I clay barred it. I don't know if the clay bar was necessary. Like I said, these have never been on wheels. It's just scratches. There was no dirt. Better safe than sorry. So surface prepped. We're gonna move into the compound stage now. guys, we still got a long way. I've just done one spoke, but I'm already blown away. Now keep in mind, it's still gonna have a little bit of a hazy look because it's just the compound I'm gonna polish next to like really make it shine. But here's before. This is just one pass or two passes over a spoke. There's before. Here's after. Oh my God, I mean it basically looks brand new. Like I said, there's some cloudiness, some haziness to it. And the polish will get all that out, but two passes and it's basically good as new. I mean, that is insane to me. Let's keep going. All right guys, I'm done compounding one wheel. Now there's gonna be a little bit of haziness, like I said, just because of the compound, and the polish will get all that out. So this was mainly just to get the scratches and like the super haze out. And honestly, I'm pretty blown away. I don't know how well this comes through on camera, but if you remember the before and after, or if you saw the before, and I need to get some more polish or compound off of these wheels, but man, I mean, they are night and day difference. Night and day, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. The polish is really gonna make them just shine up and get everything out, kind of perfect the surface, but my God, I mean, it looks like a different wheel. And it wasn't that hard, honestly, because honestly, this wheel is super easy to do it on because these spokes are so big and flat. And from the, where they got scuffed up from the packaging, it was really just like up top and then just kind of the rim of the wheel. So it wasn't very hard, granted, but it turned out amazing. This compound stuff is magic. Magic. I mean, it's straight up that picture. I know it's stupid, but like it really did look about that bad and looks about that good afterwards. I mean, it is amazing. So let's smack it with some polish and see what they look like. All right guys, we're done with one of the wheels. Compounded, polished, and pretty blown away. I mean, look at that, it's like a mirror. You can actually just see a reflection back of me, of the camera. I mean, they look brand new. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but I mean, blown away. Just blown away. They look perfect. I have a brand new wheel that I got for 50% off with a little bit of work, a little bit of fun. Sometimes it's worth it. I'm actually gonna go set them both out in the sun side by side. We can see the differences. All right guys, here on the sun, you can really tell the difference. So here's the one I just got done with. It's really bright, so I can't see totally how good this is coming through on camera. And here's before. Damn. I hope that's showing up. You can really tell before, after. It's insane. It is insane. Looks like two different wheels. All right guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking till the end. You know I appreciate you. Again, if you haven't seen the video of me revealing the wheels, go check that one out. I posted that before this one. Obviously, I didn't want this to ruin the wheel reveal. So hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.